I'm Chris, I'm a head of IT at Fotofabriek, and my goal here is that I like to be as least wasteful at the most efficient way. We started off at a beginning phase on Ultimate. Ultimate was very small within our company and it grew with us. At the current moment we're using Scalable. Scalable is something that we really need at this moment. It helps us scale with the company and the amount of orders. The nice thing about Scalable is that we can upscale or downscale at will. We can change our plans, we can send a quick email and have twice the processing power available to our impositions so that we can keep up with the peak seasons but also have a stable flow in the off seasons. Also on the finishing side we can handle thousands and thousands to millions of files every week, every day. We use Scalable for having very tiny PDF files and combining them in gang runs so we can keep up with the amount of orders that we currently have. You don't have to program anything yourself. We don't have to spend hours and hours developing our own softwares or going with different workflow softwares. But the nice thing in Ultimate, it's one big package. You can do every type of finishing, you can do every type of file that we input from JPEG to PDFs. We can use an XML input in Scalable, we can use Ultimate's own imposition language, so we can still program something ourselves with our own front end and let Impostrip generate our impositions. Ultimate Impostrip gets an input of PDFs for our printing machines. It's good at imposing, it's good at gang running, but we need to have something after that. The product needs to be produced after the sheets have been printed or the rolls have been printed for our wide format printers. Ultimate Bindery helps us with integrating with our finishing devices so we can have an automatic flow of sheet to cut to end product. So it's a full-based solution that we're using in-house to integrate our machines in a workflow that work together and that work on one single file, one single output. We are also already using the new nesting algorithm of Ultimate Impostrip to generate our nesting for our roll-based printers and our sheet-based printers. That reduces waste, and that's something I find very important and Fotofabriek finds very important. We like to be as circular as possible, so we have as little waste with the most efficient nesting and the most efficient gang runs. We started off at the old nesting engine. It was good, I couldn't complain, but the new nesting engine is like a new generation. It's something that is completely built up from the ground. It's new, it's better, it's faster, it's more scalable. You can integrate it within Ultimate Scalable to have multiple nesting engines. So that's something that's very important. We can do high volume nesting and high efficiency and high quality nesting. That's the most important for us currently.